everyone, I am Anusha Joshi. I study in St. Joseph Institute. I am from 7th standard. Today I am going to be making a game called Memory. So let's get started. So first let's get Toby aside and now let's take a sprite. I'm going to be taking a button. I'm going to take button 3 and customize it to make it a little nice or to make it look like the buttons in the memory game. Now I'm gonna duplicate them 12 times to get 4 columns and 3 rows so that I can put some objects in there for the memory game. Now I'm gonna give each of the blue blocks go to and green flag clicked so that they don't move anywhere and they stay in one place. And I repeat the same process again and again for all of them. And then we have to do when the sprite clicked hide, wait for 3 seconds and then show, because we have to do that so that now it hides the blue blocks like banana, apple, donut and cake and also oranges so that I can play memory game with them. I will duplicate each one of them so that I have 12 food items in total, 6 different items. Now I will start decreasing the size so that they fit in the blue blocks perfectly. Now I will hide each item in different columns separately so that we can play the memory game easily. Now I will run the project and see how it works. I will go to variables now and get a variable name scored. Now I will make a variable of each of them like apple, cake, donut. I'll make all of them and then I will do the rest of the code. Now I'm gonna hide it, so I'm gonna remove the blue tick mark from the food items except for the score because we don't want to hide the score. Now I'm gonna name the buttons on what food item they each have so that it is not a confusion for me. If you want, you can remove it at the end of the making of the game. And now I will make a code as restart so that whenever we click the green flag it will get restarted. Now I will change all the apple, cake, donut and all into 0 so that whenever we click the green flag it will get restarted into 0. And now I will go to events and when the sprite clicked I will click that and then I will go to broadcast and tell a new message into jar. And I will also say when I received a message jar. Now I will go to variables and I'll say change jar by 1. Now I will go to events and when green flag clicked I will click that and put the restart button on it.
Now I will go to jar 2 where I have written names and I will say when green clicked.
Now I will take a forever loop and I will put if then loop inside it. Now I will go to operations and I will take dash is equal to 50, but I will put it in the between of if and then, and is equal to 2 I will put. And now I will put change score by 1 underneath it, and then I will go to events and put stop and then drag down and then this script. And now just repeat the process for every block. So I did for jar 1 and jar 2, and I will repeat that for donut 1, donut 2, apple 1 and apple 2, etc. And here are the end products. This is a small demonstration on how this game works. So let's match the objects. I'm gonna choose this one. It sometimes gets a little hanged while doing it, but no problem, just do it once again. I know these answers because I made these. You can make them and make them a little more trickier so that your best friend or friend do not know the answers.